Today we're diving into a head-to-head ChatGPT 5 from OpenAI versus Grok 4 by XAI. Two titans, two distinct styles. Let's find out which one fits you best. ChatGPT 5 launched August 7, 2025. This flagship model dynamically switches between fast and deep thinking modes, excels in coding, reasoning, multimodal tasks, and delivers more accurate, less flattering, but safer responses. Available across free plus pro tiers with varying limits. Grok 4, released July 9th, 2025 by Elon Musk's XAI, Grok 4 brings real-time internet integration via X, strong STEM reasoning, and a playful, sometimes edgy tone. A free tier offers limited queries. Full access comes through paid plans like Super Grok Heavy. In terms of user experience and ecosystem, ChatGPT 5 offers a polished ecosystem, mobile web apps, plugins, API, enterprise options, priority support, and broad language or cultural adaptability. Grok 4 leans into the X ecosystem, offering snappier responses and a fun, less filtered persona, but comes with limited support, potential bias risks, and a higher cost for full access. So, which one should you choose? Choose ChatGPT 5 if you want a reliable, creative, polished assistant for everyday, professional, or multimodal tasks. And go with Grok 4 if you value real time data, heavy technical reasoning, and the dynamic, edgy tone, and don't mind paying for power. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!